Hello, good morning girls. Today we discuss about the price output determination under perfect completion. The equilibrium price. In 1890, Alfred Marshall, in his famous book Principle of Economics, presented a synthesis of the earlier theories of value. The earlier theories were beset with some amount of controversy whether cost of production or utility governed value. Marshall describes this controversy in this following words. We might as reasonably dispute whether it is the upper or the under the blade of a pair of scissors that cuts a piece of paper as whether the value is governed by utility or cost of production. It is true that when one blade is held still and the cutting is effected by moving the other, we may say with careless brevity that the cutting is done by the second, but the statement is not strictly accurate and is to be excused only so long as it claims to be merely a popular and not a strictly scientific account of what happens. Marshall presented a theory of price determination in which both the forces of supply and demand interact to determine the price of product by demand and supply. He meant market demand and supply when demand and supply curve is in equilibrium. The amount of commodity which is being produced in a unit of time is called equilibrium amount and the price at which it is being sold called the equilibrium price. The process of price determination is presented in the table. It can be seen in the table that when the price of a product is rupees 20 per unit, the seller are prepared to supply 20,000 units of it, whereas the buyers want to purchase only 10,000 units. In this situation, many sellers will not be able to sell their product, and so they will lower the price. At the price of rupees 19, supply is only 18,000 units while demand increases to 13,000 units. In this situation too, there are many sellers who are unable to sell their product. Price will be further reduced at rupees 18 per unit. We note the seller are prepared to supply 15,000 units while the buyers are ready to purchase the entire quantity of 15,000 units, which the sellers offer for sale. Now okay girls.